We just finished our very first book nook, which is going to have the glass over it, so it's going to be reflecting the ring light like crazy. But we had a blast with it, and it lights up and everything. Kat will have a video, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
A full tour.
Yep.
So, new obsession of ours. And we really enjoyed doing it together. So, I sent Kat a bunch that I had favorited and liked. Like, I don't know, what, 7, 8 of them?
Yeah.
And I told her, I was going to order some more. And
so I ordered a handful of them. I was like, they're all cute. These are probably my favorites. Order whichever of those you like.
All of the ones she ordered.
She ordered all of them.
So, this one we're already kind of getting a sneak peek. We want to start with this one?
Sure.
Okay.
Ta-da. Hollow Magic City.
Oh, is this the one that had... No.
Adventure in Magic.
Which we just did the Magic book nook. Magic Library. So this will be kind of a long thing. Oh, there's a little bat, an owl.
So this is less book nooky and more like almost dollhousey.
Yes. I was planning on building that little miniature village, kind of.
Yeah.
I like this little... What do you even call that? It's not a globe. Sundial-y kind of looking thing. Lost ghouls.
Got some Roman numerals.
A little magic orby thing back there. Very cool.
Look at the owl.
Do we open and peek, or do we...
Let's just haul first.
There's kind of a zoomed in version. Okay.
Well, I guess we do this one next since it's showing itself.
That's definitely giving itself away, isn't it?
Magic Coffee House. We have a theme.
Yes. I love coffee.
Magic.
And magic stuff's just so fun. Your ring lock's
little bitty. I told you it's not always best to turn it on.
Well, it was dark without it.
For lovers of good coffee. That certainly qualifies.
It's got a green leather chair.
Ooh.
Kind of an ugly green. Pearls. Like a 70s green.
Well, it's vintagey looking. Yes. The whole thing. Like even the little checkerboard cloth and the trunks.
A little coffee pot. Or coffee maker.
That's cute.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Magic Treasure House.
Wait. Get this out of the way.
So the Magic Treasure House, Magic Shop again. This one we've got... Looks like, Magic Treasure House. We've got some glowing orb stuff. There's a lot of lights in this one.
Oh, that one's,
Yeah, little crates.
Okay, this looks very similar,
Ghosts and ghouls. It does.
Okay, so these, like, go together. Hold on, which one was it? This one? Watch, I probably got, like, multiple of the same.
Uh-oh.
No, they're different.
They are, but they do have some similar things, because they both have this little, whatever that thing is. It looks like this Ghosts and Ghouls signs is in 2 spots.
That magic sign is similar but different.
Yeah.
What does that say below it? Treasure House.
I can't read that one. Not in the photo anyway.
But yeah. Real Adventure in Magic. That looks similar to these signs. So I think they'll complement each other.
Yeah.
But be different enough.
It'll just be like a street and
I love the brickwork.
They sell the same stuff every 3 shops.
I like the brickwork on this. That's cute.
Yeah. It's like stones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Cool. All right. Last one.
Ta-ta-da. Also has similar themes. We like what we like. Twilight book mail, sure enough. Dear readers, this is a book city guarded by magic. When night falls, what interesting stories will Twilight Book City welcome? Okay.
See, I really thought, this is a house. Okay. I was going to say, I thought I picked one that was a house. So we have a coffee shop, a house, a city. This says city.
It does kind of look like a town, like a
downtown strip.
Like, yeah. So but they definitely seem to complement each other. Like, the style. Probably, they came from the same company.
All of them did?
Yeah. Ooh, this has got our green already on it.
See how much custom painting we have to do on all of these.
Okay, so it's got a bookshop, Magic Book. Twilight Book Mall.
Let's not get into the details too much.
Ah, a post
Boom.
office.
Book Mall. Magic City. Treasure House. And coffee shop.
Hey.
We have quite a bit of time.
What do we do first?
I don't know. Let's open them.
Okay. Bye.